If you're looking for a secure, space-saving way to keep your PC under your desk, the Desky Heavy Duty PC Mount is the perfect solution. It keeps your tower secure, off the ground, and easy to access. And in this video, we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step installation. Inside the box, you'll find the PC mount with adjustable support arms, the mounting bracket with mounting screws and washers. And the tools you'll need for installation are a drill with a 3mm drill bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a pencil for marking drill points. Decide where under your Desky you want to install the mounting bracket. Ensure there's enough space for airflow, easy access to ports, and legroom. From here, hold the mounting bracket in place under the desk and mark the drilling points through the smallest side of the two keyhole-shaped slots. And to ensure the pilot holes are drilled to the correct depth, we recommend you mark out 15mm on the drill bit. And you can also use some tape as wrapping as an easy way to ensure accuracy. Then drill the pilot holes with the 3mm drill bit at the marked locations, drilling to a depth of 15mm. Following this, partially install 2 screws into the drilled holes, leaving a gap of approximately 2.5mm between the desktop and the bottom of the screw head. Then align the mounting bracket over the screws and slide it on so the screws rest into the smaller end of the keyhole slots. Tighten both of the screws, and then you can go ahead and install the remaining screws into the mounting bracket and check to ensure it is secure. Following this, slide the adjustable support arms into the PC mount and secure them in by tightening the screws. Cushioning on the support arms protects your PC from damage. And with your PC inserted into the PC mount, sit the mounting frame up and adjust both the width and the depth of the arms to fit your PC's size, ensuring a snug but not overly tight fit. Then ensure that the sliding rails are correctly attached to the top of the mount. These rails allow for smooth movement within the mounting bracket and ensure your PC is held securely in place. Now carefully insert the PC mounting frame into the bracket under your Desky, adjusting the support arms if necessary to ensure your PC is stable and secure. Then ensure the cables have enough slack for movement and confirm that there's adequate airflow around your PC. And that's how you securely mount your PC to your Desky, freeing up space and improving accessibility. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our friendly Desky team. Thanks for watching.